Hello everyone, welcome to Open Up, a series about the art of communication. My name is Ten, and today we're going to be talking about if-then statements. Whoosh. If-then statements look like this. If blank, I need blank because blank. If action or something or circumstance is going to happen, I need action or circumstance because I will feel a certain way, or I value a certain thing, or something is important to me. If we're going to be partners, I need to talk to you about 3 times a week because I value frequent connection and will feel disconnected and sad if we don't talk. If-then statements don't have to express a need either. They can express some other kind of desire. So that script would go, if blank, I'd like blank because blank. For example, if you're going to be late, I'd really like it if you would call or text because I feel more content to wait if I get a heads up. Why would we use if-then statements? Good question. If-then statements are proactive versus reactive. They explain a circumstance that you need or would like to happen before anyone messes it up. Or before anyone engages in something that they actually didn't understand the circumstances of. So it gives people an opportunity to say, oh, if this is going to happen, these are your expectations. I get it now. And it gives them an opportunity to opt in, to say, yes, those are circumstances I'm willing to engage with before anything happens, which is real great. Good to know what you're walking into before you walk into it. This kind of opt-in language also gives the other person an opportunity to go, that actually doesn't work for me, and either compromise or just say, oh, I can't give that to you, or I'm not willing to give that to you. If-then statements also let other people make their own if-then statements in response. So if you need to talk to me 3 times a week, I'm going to need space to feel sad and tired because I work really hard and I don't always have energy. If-then statements also demonstrate that you understand that common sense isn't all that common, that your standards aren't universal and are very unique to you, and that you respect that other people can't always know what you want. And that is if-then statements in a nutshell. A very small nutshell. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I would really love to hear from you. Liking, subscribing, commenting, they all let me know what you thought in one way or another. I can also be found on Twitter or Instagram at Mighty Feels. And that's all. You're great. I hope you feel great. And thanks for watching.